After months or years of hard work and pag-aaral for the board exam, sobrang worth it talagang umattend ka ng OT-king kasi grabe, it's your reward for all the hard work and sacrifices you have made kasi sobrang hindi talaga madali mag-board exam. Another thing that I also highly suggest is for you to come early para makapagpa-picture ka sa harapan at makakuha ka ng magandang seat. By the way, yung OT-king pa namin ay 3 session. Meron sa morning, meron sa lunch, and meron din sa afternoon. So, yung nakuha ko is 1 p.m. By the way, just a bit of inspiration. Galingan nyo lang sa board exam nyo. Malay nyo mag-top notcher pa kayo. At kapag nag-top notcher kayo, you will be awarded also during the ceremony. By the way, isa ito sa mga pinaka-favorite part ko ng program kasi nakakapangilabot at nakakaiyak kasi it feels so real to be here. Sa mga soon-to-be board passers dyan, huwag kayong mag-alala. Next thing that you will think about is kung anong susuotin nyo during the oath-taking ceremony. Yung mga co-reviewees ko nga, during the review season pa lang, talagang pinaghahandaan na nila yung susuotin nila kasi claiming and manifesting daw yun para makapasa ka ng board exam. Pero syempre, lagi yung tatandaan, sabi nga ng isa sa mga guest speaker namin, your license is not a right, but a